Okay, let's settle this once and for all. VPNs and proxies both promise privacy, but only one of them actually delivers on that promise. Developers, data analysts, and businesses often use proxies for things like collecting website data, testing regional content, or managing hundreds of connections at once. In those cases, a proxy makes a lot of sense because it's lightweight and fast for simple, repetitive requests. But they're kind of like a power tool, great if you know exactly what you're doing and you have a very specific reason to use them. But if you're just trying to stay private, they're the wrong tool for the job. Most people want something that is simple and reliable, and that's where VPNs come back into the picture as the safer, smarter default for everything else that you do online. Both VPNs and proxies hide your IP address, but only VPNs protect what's inside the connection. A proxy is pretty much like changing your caller ID. A good VPN is more about having a private, secure phone line that no one else can tap. When you use a VPN, your internet traffic is encrypted end to end, and your real location stays hidden, your data stays private, and you're protected across every app and website you visit. That level of security just doesn't exist with proxies. Even when it comes to stability, VPNs hold up a lot better. The thing is, free proxies are slow, overloaded, and sometimes vanish overnight. Good VPNs run thousands of optimized servers around the entire globe and maintain consistent performance even during peak hours. And the privacy policies are completely different here as well. Most free proxies collect user data or inject ads. Top VPNs publish independent audits to verify their no logs claims. ExpressVPN, for example, regularly undergoes third-party audits to prove its privacy and security practices are actually legit. So if you're deciding which one to trust, it's pretty simple in our opinion. A proxy changes what websites see, a VPN changes how the entire internet sees you. A good VPN does everything a proxy can do and a lot more. It hides your IP, encrypts your data, protects every app on your device, and keeps your connection stable no matter where you are in the world. It's the smarter choice for almost everyone. If you just want peace of mind while browsing, streaming, or working online, then opt for a VPN that you can trust. ExpressVPN is one of our top picks for its speed, privacy, and reliability, but whichever one you choose, make sure that it's from a provider that's transparent and proven. If you want to see how ExpressVPN actually performs, we've already tested it in our ExpressVPN 2025 review, so check that out next to learn everything you need to know about ExpressVPN. Thanks as always for watching VPN Mentor, and if you found this breakdown to be helpful, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe for more no-nonsense privacy guides, and I'll see you in the next video.